He asked for it.
Oh, no.
Hi, Floor. Basketball hoop. Oh, yeah. Hi, Floor. Guys, we just went home. This dog, THOR, just had a fight like 2 minutes, 10 minutes ago. So, it was so scary. He almost bit that guy, almost. He is a guard dog, man. Damn. Guys, now I'm feeding the dog right now. It's 8:30. It's 8:30 right now, and he has to eat. Picture of his bowl. Hi, Ford. Ford, hi. Ford, sit. Hi. Hi. Guys, Ford doesn't know at all with his dad. But he doesn't know nothing. Look, he's trying to find his dad. Hey, Ford. Hey, Ford. He's downstairs. Hi.
Go ahead. But I guess they're not.
Guys, maybe a month or so, I might not film a music video because this would be my biggest music video, my favorite music video, and best music video I will make. But it will take a long time to make. Please don't blame me. Please don't hate me for that because music videos take a long time. I need to just set up everything. I don't want to show that much because it's personal stuff with my stuff. Yeah, I'm losing a lot of followers, but on YouTube I just gained one subscriber. I'm so happy, man. I need 2 more. Dude, I lost 8 or 7 followers on Instagram. But yeah, my dream to hit 140 followers. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened to my Roblox video. I uploaded that. I upload that on my new YouTube channel. It says yes, and I went to my YouTube channel to like see how many views I get and likes. Because I always check it out. I check all the comments. All right. I did not even saw the video. And it got delayed, and the video came today. I'm trying to get my butt, work my butt off to get a lot of Robux to finish my house. I did yesterday. Oh. Yeah. Please subscribe. We have 2 more. I need 2 more. That's all I want, bro. Well, my music video is coming. I don't know. Maybe June. Around June. But not in this month. Not even. Maybe in like August. Maybe August. I don't know. June, August. The latest. No, the earliest. Does that make sense? Comment below. But my friend DG is overtowering of YouTube, but me, I'm not overtowering. I'm not. I'll be overtired. I'll be 50 years old. Yeah, my dog just got into a fight right now. Like 30 minutes ago. It was really bad. I did not miss that clip, but that'd be cool. But he was actually got a fight, and I just fed him. He needs to calm down. He needs to do that kind of stuff. Me now, I'm just chilling at my sister's crib. Yeah, guys, this is the end. This is the end of the video. So this is like my outfit. It's championing. Yeah, guys, peace.